Here are 5 iPhone battery tips you need to know. First, enable dark mode. Go to settings, display and brightness and turn on dark mode to save battery. Second, reduce white point. Navigate to settings, then accessibility, then display and text size. Scroll down and toggle on the reduce white point. Increase the percentage for even more battery savings. Third, optimize battery charging. Head to settings and turn on optimized battery charging to extend your battery lifespan. Fourth, stop force closing apps. Avoid force closing apps. iOS is designed to handle background apps efficiently, and force closing can actually drain more battery. Fifth, disable analytics sharing. Go to settings, privacy and security, analytics and improvements, and turn off all options to reduce background activity. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.